Welcome to the weekly Roundup report at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we are at the Roswell location, so come on in. We are here with the owner and operator David at Roswell.
How you doing? Welcome.
Introducing Mark, the store manager here at the Roswell location. What are you working on, Mark?
I am helping a customer right now and building a repair order and finding parts for them.
Kyle, what are you working on this morning?
Doing a flat repair for a Silverado over there.
Thank you.
No problem.
Here, what you got going on with this Explorer?
What I'm doing here is a return PMI. The customer was in last week. We recommended him have a tune-up, so that's what we're doing.
Thank you. Thomas, what you got going on this morning?
Just finishing up a brake job this morning.
Awesome, thank you. Caesar, what are you working on this morning?
Oh yeah, I change the water pump, back cover gaskets, control arms, and the axle. Yeah.
Awesome. And last but not least, we're introducing Paul Durbin. He is our corporate trainer.
Hi, how are you guys doing?
What are you working on today?
Today, me and Chris are training so he can actually train from home and not have to stay late after work. So that's what we're doing. We're setting him up so he can get the videos and training material right at home.
Fantastic. Thank you for hanging out with us in Roswell today. David, what do you have to say?
Just come and see us. We're at 4750 Alabama Road, right next to the Publix in Sandy Plains in 92.
Thank you.